Hey guys, so we're back in Far Cry 6, and this is my surprise. So I decided to take out the anti-aircraft cannons because it's the only ones left in this territory, and it would be nice to kinda clear it out. So let's get to it. I managed to sneak my way in, even though it's all kinda military zone and I should not be here. But yeah, we're gonna try. Looks like there's a lot of enemies. I mean, if it was nighttime, it would have been so much easier. Oopsie. Just one. There's still so many of them. And I'm scared of any vehicles. Oh my god, there's a tank just driving around. So not cool. 3 of them. Oops. There's still so many pink people. Pink spots. Oh. That guy I'm taking out. Great. Shit. Stop, stop, stop. Great. Crap. Okay, that was it. So before any tanks arrive, I want to quickly loot this place. First, I'm gonna take my uranium, reload my weapon, restock my supplies, grab the map. There's always a map in the tent, right? Medicine, map, great. Damn, this broadcast is annoying. And then we just explode and run, I guess. That's the plan. Very close. Okay, now we run. We're completely in the military zone, so let's just get out of here. And since I'm now in danger of being hunted or whatever... Shit, there's enemies. He tried to say espera, espera. Okay, and one more is just around the corner, I guess, or a dog. Yes, I'm gonna keep running the same way I came in. Shit, shit, shit. It's FDA Airbase Olympia. That's where we are. Just gonna follow this fence. That's how I got here. Before any choppers or anything comes, there was a hole in the wall right here. Oop, crap. I did not see them. Oh, they did see me. Great. He was wearing a helmet, so I had to shoot twice. Just to be sure. That's it. Whew. There's plenty of enemies around, but for the meantime, we're on foot. Because I don't think I can fast travel when I'm being hunted, in a way. When they know who I am and what I did. I guess codename Ibis, that's the next destination, since we're here, right? We can help those people. It's very close, by the way. It's just the danger of me being hunted, and I see the lagging happening again. I don't understand, it comes and goes in waves. Ooh, I want to go up. Is there a way up? Yes, all the way around. I'll go around. Ugh, this blur. Maybe there is no blur. What if it's just me and my fever? You know? And I keep complaining, oh guys, it's all moving around and the lag is so long, but it's just my brain being tired and sleepy.
Those guerillas might need some help.
Yes, they do, and I see the orange smoke and I love it.
I see you, engineer.
Okay, is that all? Or is there any more? No, there is more, for sure. Shit. They all see each other, right? No, this guy is with the back, so this I could take out. He's looking right at me. Nobody bats an eye. What if I try that one? Yes, I can. Great. That's already a big advance, I think. This guy or this girl just woke up.
Officer, rank won't protect you.
Is that it? I would say it was too easy, but I don't want to jinx it. I think that was sort of it. Except that I still need to loot it. So I'm just gonna hide behind and try to loot it. Oops. Chopper incoming! And tank! Oh god, oh god! Shit, shit. Do I still help them? What do I do? They all came for us. Or for me, in this case. Cannot see them in the map. Tank is disappearing and the chopper will probably go away. Or it's gonna circle around. Shit, they're probably dead. Oh, I have this. No? Nice. What's going on? Who's shooting? Is there another chopper? Goodness, I don't know what's happening. Yeah, you better go away. And I don't know who they're shooting. There it is. Okay, I'm just gonna take this lady out. Being all smart to your elbow. There it is. And I already destroyed 2 choppers, so I'm just gonna get out. I think. Or is it quiet now? Is there anything else to loot? That weapon is, by the way, pretty cool. I'm so glad I took it instead of the impaler thing. Can I do this? Yes, I can. Ah, so much fun. Oh, can I go in? Yaren's experience savings at the pump. Aw, gas prices. I know. It's like real life. Oh no, they're plummet. Okay, never mind then. Trying to get this. And the scrap. Okay, I think we got most of the stuff. I got at least most of the stuff. You guys are welcome. Glad I could be of service. And yeah, Operation Ibis was a success. Now we can do the leap of guerrilla or get an olive. I'm gonna get this Oculus to idle. Then we're gonna do these, one of these two. So I'm gonna see you guys soon.